Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to integrate custom forms into your Shopify store. Whether you need contact forms, survey forms, or custom order forms, I will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. Before we dive into the technical steps, let me quickly explain why custom forms are important. Custom forms allows you to gather specific information from your customer like details, survey responses, or custom orders. This can help you personalize your service and make your store more interactive. First of all, we need to select a form app. There are many apps available in the Shopify App Store that allow you to create custom forms. So, let's get started. Go to shopify.com and log into your account with your login credentials. After that, here are some of popular ones are Form Builder by Hulk Apps, Power Form Builder, Contact Form by Jotabox. You can choose any of these based on your requirements. For this tutorial, I will use Form Builder by Hulk Apps because it's user friendly and has a free version. Let's install the app now. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click Add Apps section. On the left side bar, then go to your Shopify App Store, search for Form Builder. Form Builder. Like this. Hulk Form Builder. Now install it and follow the process. Once it's installed, open the app from your Shopify admin dashboard. Now that the app is installed, let's create a form. Click on a create a new form button. You will see option to choose from like contact form, custom order form, survey form. For this tutorial, let's create a basic contact form. Select it and create form. Then give it a name. After you select the form type, you will see a drag and drop editor. This is where you can add and or remove fields based on what you need. Click on form name, enter your form name like contact us. Then enter the click the checkbox, enter your notification email address. For then you can also set these fields as required to make sure your customers don't skip important details. Now let's move on to styling your form. Just click on capture from submit counts, or once done, click save. Just enter your email address here and save it. Once your form is set up, you will want to receive submission. Go to Settings tab from the left sidebar. Now, make sure to enter your email address where you want to form submissions to be sent. You can also set up auto replay messages to thank you customers for their submission. And you can use languages, block domains, integrations, etc. Now let's add the form to your store. Go to Forms tab. Now click the page icon, select contact and click bottom of the page, click insert. Now go to your online store, then pages, click on contact or go to themes, then preview your site. Go to contact form and here it is. Finally, let's test the form to make sure it works properly. Go to the page where you added the form, fill it out and submit it. Check your email to ensure you have received the submission. If everything looks good, you are all set. And that's it. You have successfully integrated a custom form into your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay creating.